Okay, cut it. Okay. This video is how to get out one of the top bell housing bolts on an E46. It's the one closest to the exhaust. It took me 16 days to get this bolt out. 16 days. That's why I'm making this video. So basically, this bolt, I tried everything. I didn't try a torch. That's the only thing I didn't try because I heard somebody had a fire when they did it under here because it's close to a gas line or something. But I'll show you what I'm working with. Here's the bell housing. I'm not going to show you how to do everything else. I tried to make videos, 2 other videos, but I kept getting stuck on bolts. So this one is up there by the exhaust, up in there. And as you can see, the bolt actually snapped out. But what I did, instead of using extractors on the head of the E-Torx, this is an E14, I used a 19mm and went on the collar of the bolt. As you can see, like the whole actual head of the bolt went in there. So I'll show you on one of these bolts over here.
Do you want a flashlight?
No, that's okay. Okay, so this is another E14. So I rounded out all these splines on it, gave all the torque my body had and then some, and finally that 19mm extractor socket fit on this part of the E-Torx bolt. And then you just hammer it on there about 30 times so it's tight, and then start taking it off, and that's what got it off and snapped it. And I was actually hoping that it would snap off because now I have kind of a guide pin for putting the transmission back in. But yeah, I'm doing my clutch here. The car's been sitting here for 16 days, and this has been a huge mental drain on me, so I'm really glad it's out. And I just wanted to let you guys know that. So if anybody else is struggling with that bolt, that's what you gotta do. You gotta feed. Oh, another tip too, another tip here. I was using the 3/8 extensions, and then I was doing lots of forum reading. Like every day I was on the forums, and just yesterday I found out that people said the 3/8 extensions have too much twist in them. They're not rigid enough, so you have to feed as many 1/2-inch extensions as you have. So I had
it dropped and fell on my toe, but...
Oh yeah, right here. So I had these 3 1/2-inch extensions, the big wobble, the impact one, another wobble, and I actually have another one around here somewhere, but I had to buy a set of them. And then you go from the 1/2-inch to the 3/8, and then most extractors are 3/8. This set here was all 3/8, so that's what you got to do. So just a quick video here to help you out so you don't have to struggle for 16 days like I did. And the clutch will be in soon. We'll be able to throw some second gear drift soon. But for now, that's the E46. We'll see you next time.